Hello and welcome to this video. I will share with you how to add a custom domain to Vercel. So if you want to add a custom domain, follow me in this video. Set up your accounts in Vercel and choose any project you want to set up your domain. For example, this one. You will see this page from here. Go to this section. This is the project, friends, as you can see here. Go to your projects here. After go to the project, click on this one, click manage domain. From this manage domain, click add existing. If you want to add a domain existing, you can add. If you have any domain, you can directly connect your domains. You can buy your domain from this section. Just search from Vercel, and then you can buy your domain through this section. After that, if you have a domain, as I say, search the domain here, click save. So, for example, this is your domain. After add your domain, click save, and then you will be domain add to your project, as you can see here, successfully without any problem. This is your all DNC records, and then you can edit here successfully without any problem. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you soon.